Nothing's more hateful than failing to protect the one you love.
There's no justice in this world. Not unless we make it. Avenge them.
I believe men of talent have a part to play in the war to come.
I will never sit on the Iron Throne.
You could help another climb those steps and take that seat.
We can be heroes, just for one day.
I'm not going to stop the wheel. I'm going to break the wheel.
That little monster's out there somewhere drawing breath.
I don't think I'm ready for what I deserve.
With me!
They'll never even find what's left of you.
You strip away the gold, knock down the statues, and this is what remains.
The Seven Kingdoms needs a ruler loved by millions with a powerful army and the right family name.
Good luck finding him.
Who said anything about him?